I'm working on a pretty big project and it's meant I've had to do some market research. And I thought you guys might be interested in some of this research I've done on the multifamily rental housing market in North Central Pennsylvania. I pulled all this data from two different MLSs and had to sort it specifically to look at just my market area. So I was only interested in properties with more than 2 units that sold in the market area that we service. First, interestingly, there's about 185 properties each year sold on the MLS, multifamily properties. And on that average 185, there's about 533 doors. However, this only reflects on market listings, properties that were either sold on the MLS or reported to the MLS. Very conservatively, I believe at least 25% of properties are sold off market here. So we can extrapolate that there's actually probably more than 230 multifamily properties being sold each year. Some features of these properties that were sold: an average per unit price of $65,000. Pretty affordable given that average rents are closer to 800. Now, only about 40% of these listings had enough information to calculate a cap rate, but advertised cap rates for this pricing on those 40% of listings reflected on average 11% cap rate. Probably one of the most interesting pieces of data I got from this was the days on market, and I didn't suspect that. So the average on those 185 listings that sell per year is about 6 weeks days on market. That is from the time it was put on market until the time a contract was reached. Now, that's interesting, but the median, true midpoint in that data, is actually 2 weeks, which means these properties are really moving fast. If you're calling your commercial real estate agent when you see a listing, you're already too late to truly be competitive. You need to have that relationship. So something I took from this data is, one, units are trading at incredible cap rates here in North Central Pennsylvania. And they're trading actually pretty quickly. So if you want to be in the game here, you need to have multiple ways to get deals. Realtors are just one, and you need to be very active in doing this every day in order to succeed. If you like this and tips from people like me who are working every day in the real estate market, teaching you how to do it better, give me a follow, give me a like, give me a comment. It costs you nothing and it helps us out a ton. Thank you.